A team of elementary and middle school students from Indio that builds robots has been chosen among 20 worldwide finalists in the Google Lunar Lego Challenge. The students' mission is to design programs and construct robots that perform simulated lunar missions. We first met the members of Indio's Extreme team about a year and a half ago.
They all come together, they bring their robots, and they're going to compete on an obstacle course that is based off of biomedical engineering, which is incredible. So not only are they getting to build and program robots, but they're getting to do real-world research about what it is to be a scientist in the medical industry as well.
Harrison Kassar is a 5th grader working with a team of 9 students, 7 from elementary schools, on a robot that will perform a very sophisticated game of Operation.
It's gonna push a nerve on the brain, which is making a door open. It's also gonna do a pressure test.
What's that?
It's gonna put a bone bridge in an ankle of a foot. Then the robot pushes the foot, which hits a ball into a goal.
The goal of the Smart Education program is to get kids to dream big and to give them the tools that will help them build towards an innovative future.
We are trying to inspire them to be those next leaders and thinkers and innovators. We want to be able to create that incredible pipeline that gets them excited about science and math, but also gives them that sense of confidence to be able to say, I'm 9 years old and I can build and program a robot. I can do anything.
The Extreme team from Indio has performed so well, they're going to receive free Lego components to construct a large moonscape on which their robot will be judged.
Their imagination is the limit, and what is so incredible is to see how you get students from different socioeconomic levels, different groups, and they come together with this one goal, this one purpose, to create something new, to fix, to help, to build.
These kids know how to program motion sensors on a computer and apply the motors to make the robots move where the sensors tell them to go. It's advanced stuff that takes a lot of work, but Harrison thinks it's better to do that work now while he's young so he can get the robots to work for him in the future.
In the future, there's going to be robots everywhere doing all our things and everything. And if we work on them, they're going to be much better, so we don't have to do a lot of stuff in our life except for really relaxing.
I love it. Sign me up. Just relaxing. The Extreme team will display its new robot at the first LEGO League qualifying tournament for the Coachella Valley. That'll happen in November. We'll update you on them again then.